Want to avoid unwanted changes to your data at certain stages of your planning processes? Data locking lets you prevent edits to data for specific combinations of dimension members in your models, and to re-enable editing when you want. To apply data locking, you first need to enable the option in the preferences for the underlying planning models. You can choose the default lock state for all cells, open or locked. You also have the option to enable data disaggregation based on data locking, which prevents any values from being automatically distributed to child cells that are locked. Keep in mind that if you don't enable this option, only manual edits are prevented, so the value for locked cells can still change due to automatic processes. You need to save the change to the model before you can configure the data lock settings. Version and time are set as driving dimensions automatically, and you can add other dimensions if you want. In the Data Locking Owners area, you can enable ownership for the data locking for specific dimensions. The Copy Responsible Users option assigns the current user responsible for the dimension as the data locking owner. Now you can choose the intersection of cells to lock, such as all products for a specific time period. Next, you can view the grid to configure the locks for the combination of dimension members you've selected. The values for all cells are open by default based on the settings applied in the model preferences. You have the option to change these to restricted or locked. When you choose the restricted option, you can delegate to other users permission to manage the data locks for the dimension, giving them the ability to enter parent-level values for the restricted dimensions, and to set locks to a more restrictive state, such as from open to restricted or from restricted to locked. The locked option prevents any changes until the dimension is unlocked and gives only the data locking owner permission to change the lock status. Keep in mind that you can't lock the data in private versions. The locks take effect after you save the changes to the model. With the locks applied, any user who views the data will see the locked values in gray, indicating that they can't be modified. However, if you're a locking owner, you can manage the data locks and change their status. You can now enter data in the cells that were previously locked. For more information on how to work with data locking, check out the help topic links in the description and try it for yourself today.